Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is not a tutorial. We got a fucking ban list, and I've already went through this ban list several times, 3 times, I think, give or take. And holy shit! My predictions for this ban list, if y'all guys listen to me on Duelingbook, and I'm gonna eat my words here, holy fucking shit! Everything I said was completely wrong. Konami threw a curveball, and they really are trying to shape up the meta. So let's get started. Eclipse Wyvern banned. What? That's crazy because the August Dragon God Dragon deck hasn't been out all that long, and they normally don't hit things this soon. Especially this hard. It's crazy. I think the deck is still good. It's very much still playable. But damn. Phantom Knight, the Phantom Knights of Rust Boshi. What? This card just came out in October? Wow. They it is not even seeing competitive play. Wow. What the hell? That was it for the fans, I believe, yes. So, limited. Ultra Motion Faker. Limited. Wow. Okay. So, Ultra I feel like it's still gonna be good. If Motion Faker is the one I think it is, it's still gonna be a good deck. It just isn't gonna be nowhere near as powerful as it was. Not that it was that powerful anyway. That's my mind being blown. I did not think they were gonna hit Ultra at all. Ultra have been dodging the FNL list for a while now. And geez, they just went for the kill with that one. That's crazy. Black Dragon Collapse Serpent. Got eliminated. And that's not the only thing left with Chaos, the Dragon deck. Newly limited. Salamangreat Gazelle. What? They limited Gazelle. And that's not the only thing they hit for Salamangreats, which is crazy. Salamangreats are still going to be a very powerful deck. I predict they're going to be the second best deck of the format, next to Sky Strikers, which are going to be the best deck again. Because I keep finding new stuff on the list, but it was like one card I believe that got hit. Tempest, Dragon Lord of the Storms. Wow. Tempest is back at 1 and the OCG and is not doing anything, so I'm assuming that we're going to get a win-based attribute deck, and they're trying to promote it, so that's why they are killing these decks and bringing back Tempest, just to kind of support those decks, that deck. I don't know any decks, but yeah, wow. White Dragon Wyverbuster limited. I mean, they had to. If they're gonna hit black, they have to hit the white. That'd be racist if they didn't, right? Not funny? Okay. Then Guzzle Emerald back to 1! Yes! He should have never been banned in the first place. I think he's fine at 3. I think all of the cards have been fine at 3 so far, but whatever. But the Guzzle Emerald would have been fine. They would have stopped the endless loop. But by hitting this to 1, you end the loop. Period. Because you need the second Guzzle Emerald to shuffle back. To shuffle back the Guzzle Emerald, you have to have another Guzzle Emerald on. So basically, you link with one Guzzle Emerald, overlay into another one, and then you detach, shuffle back the Guzzle Emerald, draw 2 cards, a card, whatever it is. So it's really nice to see the Guzzle Emerald back at 1. Hopefully, one day we'll see it back at 3. Hero Liz is still at 1. Again, I know it's coming. Salamangreat Circle. At 1, wow, they are fucking trying to kill the deck. Wait, what? Oh, Hornet Jones is already at 1. Moke Zero at 1. This is what people have been asking for. Konami's starting to listen to the player base, which I fucking hate that they do that. Like, stop listening to the fucking casuals who don't play competitively. Why? Why are you listening to people who don't play this game competitively? They have no right to influence our game this much. It's crazy. Terraforming put to 1. That's stupid. It should not have hit Terraforming at all. Also, I will get to that in a bit, but there was no reason to hit it. Trickstar Light Stage, wow, that was random. You know, Trickstars haven't been really doing anything, so they're just trying to take care of everything, I guess, like they did last list. Multi-first, Semi-Limited, Chaos Emperor Dragon, Nessie, Jackalope, this guy. Ether, I play Monarch, so this is happy. I'm happy about this. I'm gonna be doing a deck profile on Monarch soon. Look forward to that. Stratos 2, Dragonfly 2, that's awesome. Necroface is already at 2. Performer Power, Damage Juggler back at 2, that's cool. Shroot back at 2. It's gonna go to 3 in the next list. Watch. And then Royal Tribute back at 3. Back at 2, which is really nice for the Gatekeepers. Cleatport Scowl, why is that hit in the first place? Luster Pendulum Dragon, the Draco Slayer, that's cool. Not sure what that's gonna really be doing. Trish, there's no one playing Trish. It's hard to make Trish nowadays. Not worth the investment. Dark Hole, that's cool. Nobody plays Rigaki or Dark Hole, so I would have loved to see Heavy Storm back or Hoppy's Vedaducks back to start control decks, because control decks are going to be where this format is at. And I hate formats like this. This is going to be one of the worst formats of Yu-Gi-Oh history. People are like, oh, they hit the combo deck. Oh, yay. Fuck you. If control decks are the only thing, it's going to get repetitive and boring, like people complain about. But that's not what people really hate. They hate combo decks because they have these glasses on and they remember old school Yu-Gi-Oh that was slow. And people just can't accept change. It's something in their brain. Right? So, this is going to be a really bad format, and I'm not going to play at all in this format at all. I'm not playing. I don't know what this channel is going to be, but I might just skip a format. Monster Gate, that's cool. Rekindling, cool. Super Poly, cool, I guess. Nah, I don't care. I care. I think this is a stupid card to bring back. If you're gonna have Super Poly, you need to keep it at 1. It should never be put back to 2 or 3. It just promotes control decks, and that's what they're trying to do. And it's dumb. And then Solemn Judgment back at 3. Woohoo! Yeah, like, that's a controlling card. That's a controlling card. Granted, these are combo cards, but they're not going to do anything. This can be a combo card-ish. Not really. You mainly play this, and this is all mainly playing Counter Fairies, which is a control deck. Trish is a control card. Cleatports are control. Gravekeepers are control. Netcrawls are control. Performance Powers are combo. That's cool. Insectors are control combo-ish. So, I mean, that's fine, I guess. Stratos. Control. The combo cards, the decks that control the combo off. Like, Dangers that got hit. Multi-Well, I guess, but Salomon Grace is a combo deck-ish. They keep doing this. I guess Emerald, I guess, is combo-ish. Wyvern. They keep hitting combo decks and not hitting hard enough control decks, and that makes an unfair gameplay where control decks are going to be the only thing you see now. And that's going to fucking suck. Konami, if you watch this video, stop listening to the players to pitch on YouTube. If they don't play in real life, don't fucking listen to them. They have no right to control our game. Control decks are fine. Control decks are fine. Combo decks are fine. Stun decks are fine. Let them be them. Let them do what they do. Like, I'm not for FTKing or hand looping and shit like that. That should be what the game, and that's what the balance should be for. It's to fix actual problems. Comboing off for 10 minutes isn't a problem. It's people can't accept fucking change. Accept fucking change for what's your fucking life, you fucking scrubs. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up, subscribe, and comments below. I'll catch you guys in October. Later. Bye.